Choosing the right rheology modifier unlocks real coating performance. Today, let's decode the selection logic in the simplest way. Shear rate affects viscosity throughout the life cycle of waterborne coatings, directly determining coating stability, application, and final appearance. To fully understand coating behavior at different shear stages, we use a rheometer for testing. The rheometer continuously tracks viscosity from low to high shear, providing precise insight into flow behavior during storage, application, and film formation. In practical applications, typical waterborne systems generally exhibit three types of curves. Curve A represents a primer system with strong pseudoplasticity. Curve B corresponds to a system with moderate pseudoplasticity, showing more balanced behavior during application. Curve C is close to Newtonian, such as 2 kPu or clear coatings. These curves illustrate the fundamental rheological characteristics of different systems. But during actual application, the most critical focus is on the high shear region. To evaluate coating behavior after high shear cessation, we use three ITT curves to analyze viscosity recovery. For waterborne systems, recovery should be moderate. Too fast shortens leveling, too slow increases sagging. Comparing recovery curves allows precise matching of thickeners to application needs. We also use a drying time recorder to check whether viscosity recovery aligns with surface drying. Different thickeners recover at different rates. Acrylic fast, polyurethane slow. Coordinating recovery with drying is key to controlling sagging and optimizing leveling. The crossover of viscous and elastic moduli assesses coating stability. The further right, the stronger the anti-syneresis. The relative levels also indicate the balance between low shear stability and high shear flow, guiding formulation optimization. This is Coadd Additives Rheology modifier system. Products are classified by their viscosity contribution at different shear rates. Low shear thickeners enhance storage stability. Medium shear thickeners control application smoothness. High shear thickeners like Coadd U-6920 improve spray atomization and film leveling. Critical for high-gloss, premium appearance coatings. Product prefixes indicate structure. U-series are polyurethane thickeners. H-series are alkali swellable thickeners. Shear region and structure. Classification provide targeted rheology solutions for different applications. Coadd U-6920 provides excellent high shear viscosity build, quickly ensuring smooth and uniform flow during rolling, brushing, or spraying. Comparative tests show that coatings with U-6920 have reduced splashing, fewer brush marks, continuous flow, and lower application resistance, effectively easing application and shortening overall process time, boosting on-site efficiency. During the film leveling stage, Coadd U-6920 stands out. Comparative tests show it significantly improves self-leveling, reduces orange peel and brush marks, and produces dense, smooth, and uniformly glossy films. Better leveling and film quality enhance coverage and coating efficiency per area, making it ideal for mid to high-end applications with premium appearance requirements. Multi-system evaluations show that in waterborne coatings for architectural, industrial protective, floor, and wood applications, coatings with Coadd U-6920 flow more smoothly during spraying, rolling and brushing, level more evenly, and deliver more consistent gloss and surface texture, outperforming competing systems. Coadd U-6920 primarily enhances the overall leveling performance of the system. It is highly compatible with other thickeners and can achieve the following outstanding effects when used in combination. If you are looking for a high-performance thickening solution that combines excellent application, properties, leveling, and final film quality, Coadd U-6920 can deliver a more competitive appearance and added market value to your products.